folks, Nikon have been so good with providing firmware updates to the different Z cameras. All these new features have been added to so many of the cameras over the years, it's easy to miss a superpower that's hidden inside a lot of the Z cameras. To be honest, it launched at the same time as the Z6 III, and I think a lot of reviewers, myself included, kind of overlooked it because we were so focused on the features that this new camera had, it kind of slipped through the cracks. Drumroll, Nikon Imaging Cloud. It's a completely free service that lets you upload your RAWs, your JPEGs, your HEFs to the cloud, as well as updating your firmware. It also has a free platform where you can create and share custom picture control settings known as imaging recipes, which act like creative color presets in camera. There's countless ones already up there that you're able to download and use for free on your camera. Nikon loaned me the Z6 III and asked me to demonstrate for you guys what the Imaging Cloud is able to do. So Hannah and I are going to shoot for the afternoon, explore it together, and show you what we come up with. Nice. So everything's going great so far. I'm shooting away, I'm having my files instantly uploaded to Imaging Cloud as I go. I'm shooting RAW and JPEG to the two different cards, but I have it set up to upload just the RAW files to my Imaging Cloud account. The service will also let you send the files to the FTP of your choice, such as Google Photos, Google Drive, Dropbox, or even Lightroom. To set this up, just create an account over at the Imaging Cloud, connect your camera to the Wi-Fi network, then pair your camera to your account. Then in camera, you want to turn the Imaging Cloud on, turn photo upload on, and customize how and when you want it to upload. Easy. So I set all of this up in studio initially on my own Wi-Fi network, but as soon as I got to the location, I connected to the hotel's Wi-Fi and then just continually seamlessly uploading the files to my cloud. So when I get back to studio, they'll all already be backed up. The files are held for up to 30 days, and as I said, you can link them out to your preferred storage service. Today I'm shooting with the Z6 III, but it's available and free for owners of the Z5II, the Z5II, and the Zf. Today I downloaded 7 of the different imaging recipes that I had selected out on the cloud, and I've been loving a couple of them. The ones I've been running through are Purple M by Lewis Class, At Dusk by Woo, Coastal Glow by NM, Eurofilm Black and White by Vincent, Color Splash by Gilmar, Filmic by Fabio, and Sunset Film by JK Boy. I also really liked the already built-in Dream, Pop, Melancholic, and Graphite presets. Of the ones I downloaded, I'm personally really loving At Dusk, so thank you to Woo for creating that one. The cool thing about the imaging recipes is that they can be applied to both your stills and your video. So if you're shooting hybrid, all of the files you're creating can have a look and feel that matches throughout the entire photo shoot. To get started with imaging recipes, browse through the available options on the Imaging Cloud website and save out the ones of interest. Then select up to 9 to send to your paired camera. Then on your camera, go into the picture control menu, add cloud picture control files, then click the magnifying glass to download the files that you've linked to that camera. Hit OK, and then they'll be ready to use. and you can have 9 of those imaging recipes at any one time on top of all of the different picture controls that are pre-installed on your camera. So I've customized my sub-selector button to take me straight into the set picture control menu, so then I can toggle through the different imaging recipes and picture controls to find the look that I think works with the overall frame that I'm taking. If you want to learn how to customize your Nikon Z camera, check out my expert setup guide. It takes you through every single camera in the system. There's details in the description below. Got my heart, no. So it's really easy to set up your own image recipes for yourself. As you're shooting using one of the different picture controls, you can go down and then customize it. Here on the street, I'm using the built-in preset graphite, and then I've customized it to have more contrast. Once you've gotten the image looking as you like, keep shooting and keep uploading them to the cloud. Once your images are backed up to the Imaging Cloud, you can then create a recipe from the settings that you use to take the photo. You can rename it, make notes, and then register it as an official imaging recipe. And finally, I mentioned firmware, because when you're connected to the Imaging Cloud, you're on Wi-Fi, the system's able to let you know when firmware updates are available. Then you can easily download and install it right there on the camera, eliminating the need for a card reader or a computer. Pretty cool. Yeah, we got some cool ones today. It's been a really fun shoot, guys, and the process is so seamless. Once you get it all set up, then you get on shoot and it just works. I've been having the files go to the cloud and haven't even noticed it doesn't impact my shooting at all. Big thanks to Nikon for sponsoring this video. So if you haven't already created an account, check out the link in my description. You can head on over and get started. If you have one of those supported cameras, it's all there ready and waiting for you. No charge for any of it. It's a really cool service. Let me know any questions you guys have, and we'll see you soon.